These are minimalist office stools from bonVIVO, and as you can see, they're really super lightweight. I like the fact that they bounce back. I have other stools that kind of spin and don't kind of get me back to center. So I want to use these during our live shows, which are great. I love it. So I'd like to thank bonVIVO for sending this to us to review. I really do appreciate it because we love to have a good stool. These handles are great. It looks really stylish, really classy. You've got your base there, and it's also very, very solid. Now, I am 5 feet tall, and this is the highest that the stool comes. So you could use this for a standing desk. You could use it for a bar stool. You could use it for an office chair. It also goes down to like an actual regular office chair size. And it's got this kind of really cool, I wish I can kind of show it to you here. It's got this ball on the bottom of it. It's like this cool ball. You just flick the ball and it just slides up and down. So really nice and easy. And this one's the gray one. So again, thank you so much, bonVIVO.